Hi everyone, my name is Surintharan, analaki Muthu Kumar. Today I want to explain about my thesis title, KAHOOT as Learning Tool for Vocabulary in Language Classroom. Okay, first of all, let me introduce my supervisor, Muhammad Jazmi Abdul Rahman. Okay, so let's get into the slide. Okay, I have 5 chapters to explain it. Okay, number 1 is introduction, number 2 is objective, number 3 is methodology, number 4 findings, number 5 conclusion. Okay, so let me start with introduction. Okay, according to Malaysian Education Blueprint, okay, 2013 until 2025. Okay, ICT is a huge platform of terminology that is very important in helping to achieve the goal of the Malaysian Education Blueprint. Okay, next, according to Graham 2015, the integration elements such as video, pictures, animations, and music increase the energy level of students to answer the quizzes. Okay, next, KAHOOT is an information gateway because it is a one-stop center that enables students to increase the level of understanding and attention during the teaching and facilitating process. So this is according to Noriati Dorman 2017. Okay, next, according to Arjan and Hartshorn 2008, KAHOOT is one of Web 2.0, which is a network of wikis, blogs, social networking, existing and developed bookmarks aimed at collaborative teaching and learning. Okay, according to Wang 2016, study proved that implementing the interactive response system improve learners' motivation in classroom. So overall, all of the integration of ICT increase the energy level of students or enhance the students collaborative in classroom. Okay, next. Okay, I go to objective. Okay, so there are 3 main objectives here. Okay, number 1, okay, to develop the vocabulary among pupils by using KAHOOT platform. Okay, number 2, to identify significance of KAHOOT for the English teacher and vocabulary teaching. The next one is to identify significance of KAHOOT for the students in vocabulary learning. Okay, next. Okay, methodology. First, I use observation. Okay, so observation can be separated as 5 variables such as teachers, students, a learning tool, class enhancement, and pupils' vocabulary development in the classroom. Okay, first I start with teachers because I want to know their teaching experience with the students. Okay, next, I observe the students' behavior in the classroom with traditional learning, and then we add some new ICT method in the classrooms. Okay, next, learning tool that used by the teachers. How about the class enhancement about the students in the classroom, and then the last one is people's vocabulary development. Okay, after the observation, so I did some interview. Okay, interview also a guideline for the researcher to get the feedback from the pupils and the teacher. So this was helped me so much because I want to get the feedback from the teachers and the pupils. Okay, next one, pre-test and post-test. Okay, the scores of the post-test help to analyze their development of the vocabulary. So this is the final stage. The first stage is pre-test, then the final stage is post-test. Okay, next. Okay, I want to explain about the findings. Okay, first, I used 30 people for control group and then 30 people for experimental group. So I divided them into 2 groups. Okay, So t-test, I use t-test for comparison of pre-test and post-test between the experimental and then the control group. Okay, so as you see the table, you can see the difference, okay, between the pre-test and then the post-test. Okay, so the results for the post-test were different compared to the pre-test after the treatment. Okay, the value of T is 7.9 and the value of P is equal to 0, okay, which means smaller than the significant level. Okay, so overall after the treatment, so I can see the improvement among the students. So I will recommend this Kahoot as a learning tool among the teachers. So after see the post test, so I really impressed because the student developed so much. Okay, next, okay, the overall the conclusion. Okay, first, Kahoot platform in the education system help students to develop their knowledge of the vocabulary. Okay, first I use the traditional method. Even the students lack of focus in the classroom. So after use the Kahoot, there are a lot of scoring methods and the videos, pictures. So the student easily get enhanced in the classroom. So this has helped the student develop their knowledge of vocabulary. So okay, next one, positive perception of the integration of information and communication technology in education. Okay, first of all, some teachers they thought ICT is burden for them. So after saw the result, so they also asked me, okay, how to use the Kahoot in the classroom. So this means there are positive perception among the teachers, even the students. So they already asking when we want to use the Kahoot in the classroom. So this is a positive perception about the Kahoot platform. Okay, next, motivate the teachers to use Kahoot in their classroom as a learning tool. Not only teachers, but even the students also want to explore more about the Kahoot because they want to know their score at the end of the lesson, and then they want to compete with the students, with their groups. Okay, so this means they are really motivated to study, and then even the teachers also very happy to teach them in the classroom. Okay, thank you, that's all. So overall I want to say the Kahoot platform is a really good method or learning tool in the classroom for English classroom, or even we can use it in other subjects too. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.